Hello everybody, I'm already here in Britannia Island because I am touring. This is my island. I just bought it in only 3 million pesos, and now I have also girls. This is my girls. How are you girls? Say hi to my video. Only 150. Only 150 for me. The 150, 150 and 150 only. Yeah. And I am so very glad that I have this very wonderful vacation because lava water. There's a big water here, and also we have coming back to my. This is really my beautiful island. Very beautiful. Do you see it? Yes, I am selling it. I bought it in 3 million. I'll be selling it for only 5 million, 2 million interest. And I the monthly for everyone, for all of the friendship and for all the people who really wanted to go here. I am encouraging you to really have an experience because life is very short only. That is why for everyone, this is my island and visit my island is for only 150 registration. 150 registration only, and no more mortgage, no more monthly miscellaneous and everything. This is really my beautiful island, as you see. Yes. No more house, only trees. No more house, only trees because I want to nature. I really want nature. No more house, only monkey only.
Like that?
Hello, this is my monkey is really very kind because he's the one who's taking good care of my boat. This is my boat. My boat is very big. Yeah, and finally we are here, and I'm encouraging you to experience this very wonderful experience in Britannia Island. Yes, this is white sand. Oh, the water is very clear. And you know what? We will. Oh, this is very wonderful.
The monkey is
The
riding.
monkey is running, and the monkey is holding the rope, and then after that, we will definitely.
Two
land
monkeys.
it. So we have a lot of 3 monkeys, 5 monkeys for only 150. You really want to have monkeys for only 150? You have monkeys with the t-shirt is color blue, and the color red. 15 kinds of monkeys. Yes, and finally we are here. Yes, I'm finally here. Thank you very much. We will go here because the white sand is very pure and very crystal clear. And yes, what you see, we have a lot of coconut tree. Coconut tree for only 150 also. Buy one take one coconut tree.